Imagine you're standing outside on a normal day. The sky is clear, cars are moving, people are walking, and everything feels completely normal. But then, in one terrifying second, Earth suddenly stops spinning. At first, you might not even understand what happened. The buildings are still standing, the streets are still there, the sky still looks the same. But here's the horrifying part. Even if Earth stopped, everything on its surface would still keep moving. Near the equator, that movement could be more than 1,600 kilometers per hour. That means people, cars, trees, oceans, and even the air itself would be thrown sideways with impossible force. You wouldn't gently fall over. You would be launched across the ground like the planet had been ripped from under your feet. Buildings would crack, windows would explode, cars would slide through streets like toys. Streetlights, signs, rooftops, and anything not strongly attached would be blasted across cities. And then the oceans would move. Because the water would still carry the speed of Earth's rotation, the seas would rush forward like giant walls. Massive waves would swallow coastlines, crash into cities, and drag everything away in seconds. But the disaster wouldn't stop there. The atmosphere would also keep moving. That means winds stronger than the most powerful hurricanes ever recorded would tear across the planet, not just for a few minutes, but with enough force to flatten entire regions. And after that first nightmare, Earth would face a completely new problem. Because the planet is no longer spinning, one side of Earth would face the sun for months. That side would become unbearably hot. Rivers would dry up, land would crack, forests would burn, cities would turn into deserts, but the other side of Earth would be trapped in endless darkness. Temperatures would drop, oceans would freeze, mountains, roads, and homes would disappear under ice. The night side of Earth would become a silent, frozen world, and slowly the oceans would begin moving toward the poles. Without Earth's spin holding water around the equator, the shape of the oceans would change completely. Some places that were once underwater could become dry land. Other places would vanish beneath deep new seas. The entire map of Earth would be rewritten. Countries, coastlines, islands, and cities would no longer look the same. The world we know would become almost unrecognizable. And the scariest thing is, Earth's spin feels invisible. We don't hear it, we don't feel it, we don't even think about it. But every single day, that quiet rotation helps create our days, our nights, our weather, our oceans, and the balance of life itself. So the next time you see a sunrise, remember this. Earth is not just floating peacefully in space. It is spinning at incredible speed, carrying all of us with it. And one tiny spin is one of the biggest reasons our world is still alive.